Hindi ka pa ba matanda?
Huli pa yan. Binigay nga yung seat niya.
Feel na feel mo nga yung priority seat kahapon sa bus eh. Ay, train. Oh. Tumayo yung girl. Pinaupo ka kasi kala niya matanda ka na daw. Papa! Papa! Ay!
Bago. Yung papati aming may panapit yung bus.
First time ata kasi nila nag-travel sa ibang bansa kaya nag-aaway sila na magkasama. Sabi nila pa nag-travel kayo magkasama, mag-aaway kayo.
Napawi na na. O di ba pukulay na kayo? Yung inabig niya pa hinahila ko daw siya. Alam mo yun daw.
Pinaalala mo na naman, magagalit na naman siya sa'yo.
Ha? Taga? Wak.
Hey guys, so we're on the way to Bugis Street and it's our second day here in Singapore. So ayan, second day pa lang, mag-shopping na kami. So ang itinerary natin for today is Bugis, Chinatown, Kampong Glam, which is included ata dun is yung Haji Lane. Then kapag may time pa kami, we're going sa may Merlion Park. So ayan, come with us for our second day here in Singapore. Yay, let's go! By the way guys, so we just rode the bus going here. So sinundan lang namin yun sa may Google Maps kasi 'di ba? Tinuturo ng Google Maps ko anong bus ang sasakyan, kung saan bababa. So sundan nyo lang yun. I think it's pretty accurate din naman.
Still now and I'm stuck in my bed. Still now and I'm stuck in my head. Cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is still now, gotta open my eyes. Still now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get it. I stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. Stop and stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it as I stay like now when I'm stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best. I know, oh well, but this time will not be the same. It's still now and I'm stuck in my bed. Still now and I'm stuck in my head. Cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is still now, gotta open my eyes. Still now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be.
Para mawala yung susi. Ay! Kuya, kapit mo ng kaya mo rin. Bali yung susi. Magbayad ka na.
Ang lalagay niya doon sa ref niya. Oo nga, nawala ako.
Kung bigyan na lang kita dun sa mga naka-stock. Para sa galbita. Hindi, gusto mo?
Amen po. Hindi.
Chicken.
Ay, naka-video. Bumili empanada sa isa. Thank you.
Ay, sana. Kuya. Opo.
Which one tastes good?
Yeah.
Which one would you recommend?
Durian.
What?
You want durian juice?
Oh, durian. How about dragon fruit? Is it?
Dragon fruit today offer K50. We selling 390.
Oh, okay. I'll get one dragon fruit.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Holiday.
Tapang ah.
Sabi nila, Pilipino ba kami? Sabi ng mga kapatid.
Hey guys, so
Ba kami?
medyo nagtagal lang kami sa may Bugis dahil nag-pick up ako ng SIM card since dahil wala akong data. Tapos parang I'm planning kasi to go to Chimes siguro tomorrow. And iba yung pupuntahan nila. So ayun. Ay. Yun. So pwede ko na silang takasan. So now we're here in Haji Lane. Diba?
Black Hawk.
Here, ayan na yung Sultan Mosque. Wait.
Ano? Uwak.
Ano ibig sabihin na sa mga kalapa?
Guys, there's the Sultan Mosque already. Besties na sila. Yung mauwak at saka
Uwak. Tawag Black Hawk.
Ayan na. Hi! Hi!
Pagka nagkaroon sila ng anak, yung kalapati, ako, kalapwak.
Arab Street. Sabi mo?
Mox. Yun.
Kampong Glam.
Design ako.
Genie in a bottle.
Hindi masarap. Hindi siya gusto walang bayad. Oo, totoo. Sobrang sarap na pagkain dito. Yes. Oo. Bayad. Sige na, maliyap na mo. Nakalatakot ka. Isa to,
Magnet? 1 for $1.
Mas mura.
Julie, ito na sa'yo.
Ito, mas mahal na dito, 18 for 10 lang.
Yung magnet ang mura.
I met you last December. Well, I think it was your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You stayed cool, calm, collected, just playing dumb. Who'd have thought? Yeah, you were so cool, so different. Yeah, I bet you were bending over backwards just to say a word. And you think you're funny now, but they never learn what it cost. And I've been searching, waiting for the right time. You left early, something about your brother's flight. I just wanna tell you what's on my mind. How do we get here and how do we stay? I don't wanna rush things, but I don't wanna.
Ganda nito. Kasi hindi man ako nagaganyan na.
Ilakad. Yung makikita ka na yung buong ano mo.
Mag-a-apply na ako. We're hiring. Mag-a-apply na ako, guys. Look. Hiring daw sila.
Wait for you. How do I know that your feelings could change? I you don't remember what I said to you. I'm so relieved, cause I wouldn't know what to do if I'd said I love you probably way too soon. Like way too soon. Kinda mean and overbearing, kinda sweet but unaware. Times are changing but you haven't since then. Just give the small talk, say you wanna love me till your lungs give in. Or just maybe, are you free next weekend? I've been searching, waiting for the right time. Said I'd call but you answered, so I cut the line. I just wanna tell you what's on my mind, but if I say too much, can we forget it all? How do we get here and how do we stay? I don't wanna rush things, but I don't wanna wait for you. How do I know that your feelings could change? I don't know, but I hope so. You think you know it all.
So we're now in Chinatown and that's the Buddha Relic sa likod ko. So we're supposed to eat sana sa Maxwell kaso they're already cleaning. So parang bawal nang mag-dine in kasi nga nag-clean na sila. So hindi na may alam anong oras lang available yung Maxwell. So yeah. Dito sana kami kakain dahil medyo picky si mama sa food na hindi siya familiar. Kaya ayun, maghahanap kami ng Chinese food or kung ano man na magugustuhan namin lahat. Ayan lang. Oh, Vietnamese ano siya. So it's already 1:40 PM and hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Yung breakfast namin 1:40. Yung breakfast namin yung lang, yung triangle kimbap lang. Ano yan? Pancake.
Parang cauliflower yun.
Ba't ganyan yung mukha mo? Ayaw mo na naman yung pagkain.
Baka may ibang lahat na naman na spice yung ano.
Ito walang lasa, pero ito may lasa isa.
Pumunta siya dito para mag-Jollibee ulit.
I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember days on the back of the school bus, making up us, wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple. Now they're all memories. Honestly, I can't believe 2,000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Fine, can't help but wish.
Pagoda Street. Pagoda na siya. Just like me. Ito. Pagoda.
Pagod na siya. Picturean kita, picturean mo. Baka mabadrip.
Tignan niyo muna siya.
Saan tayo?
Kahit ka. Natabala ka.
Tatapaan na kasana baka.
Hey guys, so after namin sa Chinatown, we're on our way naman sa Merlion Park. And ano tong bridge na to? Hindi ba ito yung ano, Helix ba yun? Look, wait, I'll search it na lang. Ayan. So ayun, medyo tired na ako from walking. We've been walking for how many hours? Tapos, wala pa ano to guys. Wala pa siyang 10,000 steps according to my watch. Pero ang dami namin napuntahan today. Nag-ano kami, Haji Lane, Bugis, Chinatown, and then here sa Merlion Park, we'll be able to see the infamous Merlion, and mas malapit sa Marina. Ayan. Ayun pa yung ano, yung Singapore Flyer. Ang dami. Yung mga hindi namin, ito dapat yung itinerary namin yesterday kasi super tired sa biyahe. Kaya parang yung sa Gardens by the Bay lang napuntahan namin. Ito, isiningit na sa schedule dahil maaga kaming natapos. Yan! Look! Ito yung Marina Bay. And yung Singapore Flyer. I hope you can see it. Tapos, ito yung mga ano, building ng mga, naalala ko to nung nasa audit ako. DBS, HSBC, Bank of America, ayan. Yan yung mga ano, bank ng mostly sa mga in-audit ko. Dahil nasa Hong Kong market ako.
I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my DS. No way of knowing what comes next. Just wanna be childish. I'm still learning how to live as an adult person. Little me, but an older version. Dealing with a few extra burdens, 'cause nothing's certain. And 2,000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Can't help but
Hey guys, so that's the Marina, and then this is the Art Museum. Tapos over there pa, ay wait, yung bridge pa doon, ayun, yung bridge na yun, yun daw yung Helix Bridge. So pwedeng puntahan ka, so malayong ikutin namin, like from there paikot, like literal na paikot papunta doon sa bridge, or I think ayun din yung papunta sa bridge, yun sa likod nung Merlion, and I think hindi nyo nakikita dyan. So ayun na guys, ayan na yung Merlion, the very iconic, the infamous Merlion. Ayan lang siya. marami pa nagpapapicture, pero super init kasi. Hindi ko kayang tumayo dyan. So, nagre-rest muna sila doon. Ayun. Nakaupo sila. Saan na? Ayun. Nakaupo sila doon. Pati yung camera ko, guys. Litong-lito na. Litong-lito na yung camera ko. Hindi na niya alam saan siya tututok. Pero alam nyo, parang ang nice ng dito, ng water dito, hindi mo maaamoy na mabaho, unlike doon sa Hong Kong na yung sa Victoria Harbor, medyo mabaho yung water. Kaya ayun, I can't believe we're here. Yeah, I think bisa man napanood kong vlog yun, if nakikita nyo yung yung bilog na yun, yung Apple Store ata yun, bisa na panood ko kay sino vlogger na ba yun? Ivan de Guzman. Parang yan yung Apple Store. Ayan. Yeah. I'm watching your vlogs po. Before ako pumunta sa isang country, like nung before kami pumunta ng Taiwan, winatch ko yung Taiwan vlog niya. And then ngayon, before kami pumunta ng Singapore, I watch his Singapore vlogs. Kaya yun, yung itinerary na ginawa ko is based sa mga napanood ko sa vlogs niya. So yun lang, mag-chill muna ako guys, tapos mag-picture kami in a while. And parang wala na akong ganang mag-ayos. Hindi naman siya masyado mapapansin sa camera. Diba? Diba? Ginagaslight ko na lang sarili ko. Grabe yung pagod ko. Wala ginusto natin to basta gala, diba? Okay, maghihiupo muna ako doon. I'll drink water, freshen up a bit, and then kapag medyo bumaba na yung araw, or like pag medyo hindi nagaanong mainit, magpapapicture na tayo. Okay? Let's go.
Nakakagaya kayo niya ba?
Natatakpan niya yung ano.
Parang lusog yata banda dito. Mandal.
Amin na! Amin na!
Dala-dala ako ang plan. Unahin ko siya.
Wait lang po kayo, dumaan mo. Hindi pa, nga po.
Sige nga. Papapicture din ako ganyan pero hindi ko ipopost. Hey guys, so a day well spent here for our second day here in Singapore. So marami kami napuntahan and meron pa sanang pwedeng puntahan na malapit dito na one tourist attraction din daw. But we're all tired na. Tsaka ang sticky na ng pakiramdam namin and all. That's why we're going back na to our hotel and we will be ending our second day here. Yeah, that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!